That ends here. Oh. Chainsaw guy. He's like every horror game, it needs to have a chainsaw guy. Dang it. Oh man, there's 3 of them. Alright, we can do this. Let's get the little guys first. Always a good idea. Yeah. Every single game, dude. I mean, horror game, that is. Oh god! I got a little left health. I got a little health left. Alright, we can get him. Let's get the flare. Yeah. Got flared, dude. Alright. Let's get him. Alright, time to eat rifle. Yeah! That was easy. Nice. Oof.